Freight Train by Donald Cruz. A train runs across this track. Red caboose at the back. Orange tank car next. Yellow hopper car. Green stock car. Blue gondola car. Purple box car. A black tender and a black steam engine. Freight train. Moving. Going through tunnels. Going by cities, crossing trestles, moving in darkness, moving in daylight, going, gone. With due respect to Casey Jones, John Henry, the Rock Island Line, and the countless freight trains past and passing the big house in Cottondale. Thank you for listening.